Hey everybody, it's Debbie O'Neill of Crafty Designs, and I am getting a lot of questions from you guys about how do you find the best crafting deals for Amazon Prime Day. And I figured the best way to show you was for me to do a quick video, so that's what this is all about. It's just easier for me to show you this way than trying to explain it. So, Amazon Prime Day starts on July the 15th at 12:01 p.m. a.m. Pacific time, or it's 3 a.m. Eastern time. Okay, so it starts July the 15th, which is basically Sunday night after midnight. Okay, then it goes all the way through July the 16th until 11:59 p.m. All right, so the Amazon Prime deals are going to pop up every few minutes. I think it's like in 5-minute intervals. There's going to be a new Amazon Prime deal, and it's going to be on 100,000 items. Okay, so how do you find the crafty deals? That was the main question people are asking me. And then also, can anybody buy stuff? No, you cannot. It's for Amazon Prime members. So to be an Amazon Prime member, you have to have an Amazon.com account, and then you need to sign up for Amazon Prime. Now, it's $119 for a year membership. Some of you may not want to pay that right now. However, you can sign up for a free 30-day trial membership. So if you do that, you would be able to take advantage of buying on Amazon Prime Day. No harm, no foul. Before the end of the 30 days, you could cancel your subscription. Okay? So in the description of this video, I will give you guys links so you know where to go to sign up to do Amazon Prime. Okay, and then also if you're shopping on Amazon, I'm an affiliate for Amazon, and if you use my link when you go to shop on Amazon, I appreciate that because I get a slight commission from Amazon based on me recommending different products to you guys. Okay, so lots of crafty deals coming out. I'm going to be posting some of those in my Let's Learn Cricut Design Space Facebook group, and also in my Scrap Me Quick Designs business page on Facebook. And I will be letting you know that. Now, I do know for a fact that there are some amazing Cricut deals that are going to be happening for Amazon Prime days. Okay, I don't know when they are yet, but I do know that they're coming. As soon as I know that they're going to be out there, I'll be posting in those two places to let you know that you want to go take a look at those. Okay, if you're looking at getting a new Cricut machine, you definitely want to know about these deals. If you're looking for an easy press, you want to know these deals. Or all kinds of Cricut accessories, you want to know these deals. Okay, Amazon Prime Day typically has the absolute lowest prices. People say it's even better than Black Friday. Okay, I know I buy a ton of stuff on Amazon Prime Day. All right, so let me show you what you need to do. So one, you need to be an Amazon.com, have a subscription to Amazon Prime. So you want to take care of that today. Then how do you start finding the deals? So once you're logged into your account, and here's your main screen, you're going to come over here in this black bar, and it's going to say today's deals. So click on today's deals, and that's going to take you over to the today's deal page. And on today's deals, you want to scroll down until where you see lightning deals. Okay, down here where it says deal type. So we're going to click lightning deals. All right, so now it's going to start. It's going to give you all the Prime Day deals. It's all the Amazon devices. So if you're looking for a Fire Stick for your TV in your craft room, I have one. I love it. If you want one of those, great. The other thing I have is that Ring doorbell, because my craft room is at the back of the house, and when I get my deliveries from Amazon, I know that the delivery guy just dropped them on my porch, and I can go get them before they're stolen. Just a heads up. And of course, I use the Amazon Echo to listen to music in my craft space. Just a little blurb there to let you guys know that I do use the products. All right, so how do you find the crafty deals? Over here under departments, you want to select the one that says arts, crafts, and sewing. So I'm going to do that. And then it's going to start popping up. Okay, now these are, if you scroll down one more time, we want underneath availability, we want active and upcoming to be marked, but we don't need to know about the ones that we missed, right? We can't do anything about that. So we're going to unclick missed. So now we have active and upcoming, and I have arts and crafts. So now everything on this list is going to be in those categories. So like right now, there's a deal that's ending at, looks like it's going to end in 5 hours. and it just started. That deal just started. And this is one of those hanging family birthday reminder calendars, and you can take these little wooden discs that come with this calendar, and you can use vinyl, the Cricut permanent vinyl, to rub on those with the names and the dates or whatever of your people. That one's a really good deal. Now this is a Prime early access deal, so it's actually going on right now. Okay, so it's going to end at the end of the day, it looks like. All right, so how do you find the Prime Day deals? So we're going to scroll down through the arts and crafts, and Prime Day starts at 12:01 a.m. Pacific time on July the 15th, which is basically Sunday night. And it's going to run all the way through the end of July 16th at 11:59 p.m. So you want to look at Prime Day deal, and it's going to tell you when that deal starts. Okay, so that deal is going to start at 2:39 a.m. on July the 15th, and you can click on this and it'll show you the deal and what it is, and then you can click the watch this deal button to add it to your list. So I have it, mine's marked, so you can see that it says marked, and then you can scroll through and find the deals, but you want to look at what time are those deals going to happen, because I'm not likely to wake up at 2:39 in the morning to buy this. Okay, so anything that happens, you know, at a reasonable time in the morning, I'm likely to get it. All right, so markers, all kinds of markers. So watercolor markers, watercolor paints, there's a ton of stuff. Inks, there's a really nice light box here that is going to be inexpensive if you haven't wanted to buy a more expensive one. Glue guns, I mean, any kind of crafting thing you could possibly think of is going to be underneath this deal. So like this one I'm watching, this is the 12 by 12 stretched white canvases, and you get 8 of these, and it's a dirt cheap price. And so I'm watching for this deal to start at 9:59 a.m. Okay, that's gonna be when the deal starts. That deal's probably gonna only last a few seconds, a few minutes at the most. So I'm watching it so I get a notification. Now, how do I know that I get a notification? Scroll back up, and up here it says see the deals you're watching. You can click this button and it's going to show you the deals that you're watching. Or you can even subscribe. I did both. Subscribe to receive deals of the day, and also the ones you're watching will show up in your inbox on your email. So no matter what you're doing, you can get it like on your phone or whatever. You can also watch for other kinds of deals. So for not just arts and crafts, but there's a whole list of different departments. So I know that I am looking for deals on, I'm looking at some computers. I'm also looking at, so I'm going to add these to my list. So I'm looking at computers. I'm also looking at some other electronic stuff that we're looking for our house. And kitchen stuff I'm definitely looking for, because I am looking for an air fryer. I want to jump on that bandwagon and do that. I bought the Instapot last year and love it. Gives me more time for crafting. Let's see, headphones, I'm definitely looking for headphones. So as you can see, you can go through and pick the things that you think you might be looking for, instead of having to slog through a giant list of stuff that you have no interest in. Like, I'm not going to be buying men's clothes, so I'm not going to add that to my list. But office electronics and supplies, I definitely want to look for that, because I'm looking for another printer. The one in our study died, and I need to get a new printer. So anything that I think I might be interested in, I'm going to add to my list, and then you're going to start seeing that populate on your list. So now you see, I'm starting to see other categories of stuff in addition to crafting. Okay, now I do want to point out, so this one was a Prime early access deal. Okay, and you see this little screen here, right? It's telling you, it's counting down how many people have already claimed that item. When it goes all the way across, it will say 100% claimed, and that means the deal's not good anymore. That means they've sold all the ones they were going to sell for the day. So that's why watching what time the deal starts and jumping on it right away is really important, because as soon as they're sold out, that's it. Okay, and it'll let you know when those deals are ending. And usually it's in, you know, a very short period of time that those deals will be ending. All right. So as you can see, now I've got electronics, I've got crafts, I've got kitchen stuff on my list because those are the things I'm looking for. But that's how all this works. I just wanted to share this with you guys. Let me know if you have any questions. I'll try to help answer those. And thank you so much for using my links that you're going to see where the video is posted, and it helps me continue to make crafting videos for you guys. So any support you can give me, I really welcome, and hope you grab some great deals. Now, once again, I'll be posting in my Let's Learn Cricut Design Space Facebook group. Sorry about that, and my Scrap Me Quick Designs business page, any of the phenomenal deals that I see for crafting stuff that I know you guys don't want to miss. I'll try to post those in the group too. Anyway, I'll talk to you guys later. Happy Prime Day shopping. I hope you guys enjoy it and you snag some good deals. Bye.